nandito kami ngayon sa river. Ayan, nakikita niyo river. Ayun, ayan, nandito kami sa river ngayon. Kasama ko. Ayun, ang cute oh. Ayan, kasama ko si Papa. Kasama namin si Papa. Ayan. Hello, Papa. Thank you, Papa. Dito po kami maliligo kami. Dito kami ni Papa. At ayun ang iba. Happy sila. Ayun! Lumangoy na. Mga bata. Ayan, si Carlito. Shout out, Carlito. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Ayan. 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 Sarap maligo. So, we're going now. Ayan. Ayan. Nandito si Deo Vlog. Ayan. Ang aking hello mga kawandor. Akoy. Ayan ang aking kapatid, manghod ko. Ayun, si Deo Vlog. Ayan, at nandito naman ang aking kawonder sister, si Rika. Rika! Ayaw na. Ayaw na.
Ay, daw siya wala paligo eh.
Ayan, si Ariel.
Yes, shout out po.
Argal yung biyahe vlog. Ayan, tinutulak ako ni Rika. Ayan. Ang aking kapatid. Ayan, tinutulak ako ni Rika. Ang aking pangalawang kapatid, si Ariel. Argal yung biyahe vlog. At ayun si Rika. Ulit.
Naming kapatid.
Ayan. Hi! Hello mga ka-wonder. Nag-joy out. Shout out sa lahat yan. At eto naman si Joy. Jongko Joy TV. Ang aking hipag. At ayun si Ariel Argal yung biyahe vlogs. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Si Deo Vlogs. Kaway naman yan. Ang aking kapatid na pangatlo. Wala si Leo Wu. At si Rocky. Yung aking kapatid na isang lalaki. Wala siya kasi may pasok siya. Ayun o. Mga bata. Jason! Say hi! Casper! Say hi! Ayan! Oy! Malalim! Huwag dyan, malalim! Marunong ka, sige nga! Baka bebotin naman ngayon, baka yung mamaya eh. Daig pa ako niyan, oh!
May talon dyan eh.
Galing lumangoy ako nga, hindi marunong lumangoy eh. Talo ko ah! Oh! Rika! Langoy na! Nadaig ako ng mga bata. Si Kawonder rin eh. Marunong lumangoy agoy. Rika! Ligo na. Ayaw niya maligo. Matugnaw daw. Rika, ligo na! Ayaw niya maligo. Matugnaw daw agoy. Ayan, si Riban oh. Dahan kayo dyan ha. Lensing. Baka malalim. Sarap maligo. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan! Ayaw tumigil. Ayan, sige na lang. Ayan! Dito mga labahan. Dito kami naglalaba. Dati. Hanggang ngayon pa rin naglalaba pa rin dito. Ayan. Balik ko na pa. Lamig. Yung pa sa tunnel yun, dapat tao. Opo, dito hindi. Labahan lang to dito. Doon, malayo pa kasi matarik lang yung daan. Hindi pwedeng lakad papado baka madulas. Dito na tayo sa malapit. Hindi. Diba? Ayun! Ayun na si Joy! Ayun na si Joy! Ayun si Joy, oh! Tarzan! Where are you, Tarzan? Ayun si Jane! Ayun si Jane! Si Joy! Ang layo na niya, oh! Si Jonko TV! Si Jonko Joy TV! Ayun na siya! Mamaya, andyan din si KAWONDER, agoy! Dandan ka dyan! Baka mamaya marupok na yan. Bata. And, ayan, nakita nyo ba? You know, this place is our laundry or washing area. Yes, this place is washing area. We have to use a wood to make pukpok the clothes here. Make palo-palo ng mga damit para easy to clean, to wash out the dirt of the clothes by using of the palo-palo or the wood. Have to pokpok the clothes. Ay! And also, this one, the wood. We also use this for cleaning the clothes. Make palo-palo. Make palo-palo the clothes like that. Ayan, palo-palo the clothes. Ito ang gamit namin pag naglalaba. And this area is washing area of the residents of Barangay Layong Mabino. And also, while the mother is washing their clothes, their children love swimming here. Only children level up. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Yes, a beautiful place. Simple living here in the mountain of Layong Mabino, Maraguan, Cavite. Ayan. Tara. At tayo ay pupunta doon. Ayan, wow! Mayroong coconut. Ayan ang aking si Prince ARVIC SIGNO TV. At yan ang aking nephew, ZEDRC ARGALLON. Ayan, at mayroong coconut nut na makunat at kasing kunat dito. Okay. Ayan ang aking pangalawang anak, si Prince ARVIC SIGNO TV. Yung kasama ko minsan dyan sa mga binibisita nating mga KAWONDER natin dyan. May Second hand, Prince ARVIC SIGNO TV. Kamay. ARVIC. Fresh na fresh. Newly pick, newly harvest ng coconut nut na mga coconut nut. Ayan. Ayan yung property na aking binan. Ayan. Ang ganda ng paligid. And look! There's a hanging bridge. Bamboo hanging bridge. And this is what we call bamboo kawayan in Tagalog, in Filipino. Kawayan bridge or bamboo bridge. Kawayan na tulay. Ayan. Ayan, nakita nyo ang ganda. Slowly but surely. Look. Yes, I love this place, you know. I really love this place. You see, as you see, you hear the voice of birds. Slowly and slowly and slowly. Ayun sila! Ayun sila! Ayun! Yes, I love this place so much. I'd rather to leave this place than in the city. Because we're here, I can eat fruit free. Even though I don't have money, I can eat a lot of fruit here with free and with love from our neighbor and from our friends. You have to ask them, can I have one? Oh yes, you may. You can pick some. Whoa. While in the city, you can not do that. You have to pay. You must have money to eat fruits or some goods. But here in the mountain, a lot of good friends, a lot of good neighbors. So you can ask for free, and they give you for free. That's why, if they give you, you have to give also. Share your blessing, not only for our own. Share the blessing, and sharing is caring. Hayan! Ang ganda, no? Talagang super love ko ang lugar na to. Ayan, pupunta tayo dito. Ang ganda, oh. Talagang super dito. Nung makakilala ko si Mr. ay hindi ko na mawala na, goy. Kasi gusto ko yung lugar. Hindi lamang si Mr. ang nagustuhan ko, pati yung lugar. I love this. Ayan. Yan. You know. Yan. Ayan. As you know, as I want to share, well, you know, here in the upland area, one of the basic earning money here is to cut a bamboo. Like that. Yes, I also help my husband to grab or to pick some bamboo here in the forest. Yes, one of the basic earning money here in the upland area is to cut bamboo, then separate the small bamboo and the big bamboo because they are the separate amount. But as you see, this bamboo, this one is a separate amount, the kind of it depends on the size of bamboo. That's why small bamboo is small amount, a big bamboo big amount. But well, you know, first bago mo makuha ang isang bamboo, so very much work to do. First, you have to clean this area and make putol-putol, cut the bamboo in the forest. So hard work, so much hard. So that's why one bamboo is cost a lot. Yes, that's true, mga kawonder. One bamboo is cost a lot because your hard, your labor, your sweat before you pick one size of bamboo. And that's why, and also one of the basic earning of money here in bamboo, not only for cutting a bamboo. So mostly the mother here or the residents of this town or in this barangay make stick. Do you know the stick of barbecue, banana cue? Yes. Mostly they made stick. So before cutting size by size of barbecue stick, first have to clean the bamboo area. So much labor, so much work, hard work. And after that, mostly the mother or the father, they have to cut. It depends the size of the bamboo. It depends the size of bamboo stick. And then so much hard work while cutting the stick, and also one by one have to clean and build a one barbecue stick or banana cue stick. And so much work, and how much only the 100 pieces of barbecue stick, maybe 3 pesos or 5 pesos. So that's why it's hard to earn money here in upland area. Ayan, may nakita ako. Ayan ang ating kasama. Ay, si Junjun pala yun. Ayan si Junjun. Kaway naman dyan. Ayan si Junjun, ang aming binata na ang sipag. Anong gagawin dyan? Yun, gagawin daw bakod. Yun, you know, that kind of wood. Kakawate. Make bakod-bakod or fencing in English. Tama ba yun? Bakod, fencing. Ayan, ayun. They use the wood for fencing the gilid-gilid ng bahay. The side of the house, make bakod or fencing. Yeah, that's why, you know, as we earn the money here in upland area, so much work, and that's why 1 centavo or 1 peso is very important in a kawonder like me. So that's why I don't spend money a lot for myself only, for my fun. I want to spend for my family. Kaya talagang so much hard work ang kailangan ng mga like kawonder. And Kawonder is cowboy. Even though you want me to go in a farm, in a city, and a mountain, I can do without any arte-arte. Basta kaya ni Kawonder, trabaho ako, trabaho. Ayan. For the family. Hayan! Mahilo muna kayo! Hayan! Mahulog si Kawonder. Ayan! Ang ganda ng river. So much talaga. So much ang ganda talaga dito. Ayan! Kawonder! Ayan! Nakita nyo yung bridge. Bamboo bridge. Ayan! Samahan nyo ako. Punta tayo dito. Ayan na, Kawonder! Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung lugar namin. Nakita nyo yung bamboo bridge. Ayan. As I explain later, as I explained earlier about the one basic of earning money here in Upland area is to cut a bamboo and also make bamboo barbecue stick or banana cue stick. Ayan. So much hard, so much work to do before the stick was made. Kaya talaga namang ang labor ay sobrang hirap bago ka makagawa ng isang barbecue or banana cue stick kasi ibibilad pa po yun pagkatapos ng linisin. Marami pang proseso. Kailangan matuyo ng maayos yung barbecue stick na ginagawa ng mga mama o nanay na nasa bahay na while they're taking care of their children or their family in the house. Mostly the mother here or the family helping together to make the bamboo stick. Yes, bamboo tama. Si Kawonder. Ayan, pagpasensyahan nila si Kawonder kasi talagang hindi naman tayo fluently mag-speak ng English. Only yung kaya lang natin na English yun lang gagawin natin. Kaya pagpasensyahan nila si Kawonder. Ayan ang ating mga daddy na sobrang sipag dito sa aming lugar. Ayan si Kuya. Ayan, nag-ano pala sila ng kalsada. Ayan. Inaayos nila yung kalsada para pag dumaan yung sasakyan ay hindi mahirapan. They have to fix the road because if like that, ayun, yan, the motorcycle will pass. They easy to pass the road. That's why they have to fix first the road. As you see, ayan si Leonard. Ayan si Kuya. Ang ating kasama si Kuya, si Carlito, at ayun si Kuya Une. Hi Kuya! Ayan, pinifix nila yung road. They fix the road because too easy to pass the road. Ayan, nakakita nyo naman, as you see, if the road is fixed, easy to pass the car or the motorcycle car. So, manual. So, if summertime the road is dry like that. If rainy season, so expect that the road is it's hard to pass the car. So summertime, the road is good. Ano ba, hindi ko wonder. English ni kayo. English Carabao. Ayan. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Andoon. Pwede natin puntahan yun. Mamaya, tingnan natin. Hindi ko pa rin nakikita eh. Diyan lang sa unahan, no? Yung kubo. Oo, kasi 3 taon na mahigit din siya nakapunta dito. Ayan, dadaan si Kuya. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda talaga. Super ganda. Dahan ka dyan at baka hindi kayanin ng bambo. O diba, ang ganda. Tara, tingnan natin dito. Tara! Ang sarap. Ang sarap maligo. Ang sarap maligo. Ayan. Sarap maligo. Ano? Okay, matulog naman dyan pag naligo si Kawander. Tulog na muna agad si Kawander. Ayan. The water is cold. So, I want to try to climb in the tree. Come on, let's go!